Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we're gonna be checking out this little guy. So this is the D2 Bluetooth speaker by Divoom. At first it doesn't look like a Bluetooth speaker, but it is, but it's also so much more. It's also a retro pixel art display that also has a mechanical keyboard, believe it or not, and a little lever so that you can pause and play and select stuff. It's amazing. All right, there's so many things that I want to say about this little thing that I don't even know where to start. I've been using it for about 4 or 5 days now, and I'm still discovering stuff. So first of all, it's mostly plastic. The Bluetooth speaker shoots up, so it plays in every direction. The sound quality is pretty good, actually. I wish it was more intense on the high frequencies, but it doesn't matter when you find out everything that this thing does. Okay, first of all, as a standalone little gadget, it's pretty cool. You don't necessarily need a smartphone or to pair it Bluetooth or anything to make it really work, because it accepts USB-C to charge. It accepts micro SD cards if you want to play music directly from it. Let's actually turn it on. Oh, that thing is so cool. And here it's gonna wait for me to actually get in and connect it with any device. I'm gonna connect it with my phone. It is connected. And now it's gonna be showing me the time. Okay, so first of all, the Bluetooth speaker. Let me try to attempt to capture how good those keys sound. Didn't mean to actually play a song. So it's connected to my phone, so it's gonna play songs. The keys, you have mode, you have plus, minus, left, right, and then you have a little sun display, basically. And then that lever, you can only pull it. One thing that is also very cool is that the keys are illuminated with monochrome LEDs, which is pretty cool. I wish they were RGB because that's kind of a fad, but this is supposed to be retro, so no RGB and retro stuff, okay? Anyway, so that's when you first turn it on, it shows you the time and you think, okay, it's just showing the time, nothing fancy. And then you start playing a song. I'm gonna play a song, but I also wanna get the volume low. So I'm gonna pull the lever. And as you can see, you press down and it basically lowers the volume. So once you're here, you can press the mode to see preloaded animations. But you'll see later on that there's an app that can allow you to show whatever you want. So on top of showing cool little animations and stuff like that, it also has a bunch of other functionalities, such as an alarm clock. There's a menu where you can get creative. There's also video games. You can play Tetris, you can play Snake, you can play Flappy Bird on it. It's so much. It is so cool. But anyways, there might be 6 keys, but there's a lot of functionality to them. If you hold some of them, you'll get extra functionalities, obviously. So if you go ahead and you hold left or right, you'll be able to lower the display intensity. So if you're using it at night or you just have it on the shelf or whatever, you can play around with the brightness, which is cool. I actually added Bluetooth to my computer recently with a little USB key, and with those buttons, I was able to manage all media on my computer, basically. So with the volume, next, previous, play, pause, which is so cool. Also works with YouTube, believe it or not. Now let's talk about the app. When you download the app, first of all, you don't have to struggle to download the app. There's a QR code right underneath the speaker. Once you get the app, this is where you really realize the potential of that thing. There is something called, you need to make sure that you pair it, okay? So there's this thing called design where you can draw, and in real time, it will show on your thing. I don't have enough arms for this, but basically you can create your own design. There's a little creative mode. You can animate that stuff to do pixel animated stuff, but there's also a community where everyone is creating their own animations and design and stuff like that, and they share it so you can use it on your own Bluetooth speaker at home. There is an editor where you can just type something. Right here I have something that says subscribe to Get Level. There you go. Subscribe to Get Level. I'm gonna press play, and then it will start displaying it. And there's a bunch of options where you can layer stuff, layer effects. You can put fire behind it and color combinations. So much stuff. What else? There's a mixer. It's a little thing where you can create music straight from your phone and it will play on the speaker. So if I press this is lead. Oh, I forgot the sound was low. They're not all that great. Stop, please. And then within that mixer, there's like instruments. You can play the piano. There's so much. Is that a xylophone? So cool. When it comes to music, also in the app, you get access to a bunch of radio, internet radios that you can play from your phone to your speaker. You can record voice messages because throughout the community thing, you can actually add people as if it was some sort of social media, and you can send them like little text. You can chat with them using the app and the Bluetooth speaker, and you can send them voicemails too, which is so cool. Hello, this is a voice message. Hello, this is a voice message. You can display, of course, time. You can have like a stopwatch and all of those like normal features too. You can get sounds to fall asleep if you like listening to the sound of water or rain and all of that. There's a huge, even thunder. There's a huge library of all of that can help you sleep at night if that's something that you usually enjoy. There's also social media notification, which is really cool. I haven't tried that yet, but for my audience, I know you guys are mostly live streamers, and I know you guys love little gadgets and lights and stuff like that to put in the background to make your streams look even better, to make your background look more interesting. Having little messages or even little animations or having your logo and like pixel art in the background could be really cool. Anyways, there's so much to say, but that pretty much that doesn't sum up everything it can do, but you get an idea of all the features and all the capabilities and all the possibilities of things you can accomplish with this. It is a 10-watt speaker. It gets really loud. I haven't noticed any distortion really with the songs that I was playing. I feel like the high frequencies could be higher but when I was watching YouTube videos, it actually sounded really good and very clear. But with music, I feel like the mid frequencies are the loudest, but this is what you can expect with a 10-watt speaker. The build quality is solid. It feels really solid, even though it's mostly plastic though. It has a non-slip feet at the bottom, and they also give you that little bag. I mean, I got it with that little bag, kind of like a little goodie bag. But it also comes in that box that you saw in the beginning, which is also pretty cool. It's like a lunch box you can walk around with. Anyways, there will be a link to the DITOO if you wanna buy it. It's gonna be a link for the UK and then a link for the US. They did not pay me to do this review. All of my opinions are mine. I've never seen anything like this, so obviously I'm baffled, I'm shocked, I'm surprised every time I discover a new feature. Let me know if you would like to see me do more stuff with it, maybe in the creative stuff. Maybe I can, I don't know, create animations or whatever. Add me on DITOO if you have one. Send me your designs and let me know what you come up with. It's so cool. When they first contacted me to send one to me, I was like, Bluetooth speaker? I don't really do that stuff, but send it anyways. And I am not disappointed. So they sent it to me. My opinions are mine. They just wanted a review, and boy, oh boy, I went on their website and apparently they do a lot of pixel art stuff like backpacks and stuff like that. But anyways, as usual, link in the description. Check it out. Underneath the like button is that what Marcus Brownlee always says. But as usual, follow me on social media. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any questions about this thing, let me know. And if you're looking for some dope overlays to make your Twitch channels or your YouTube channels or whatever live stream platform you're on look good, go to gumroad.com/gallevel. This is where I keep them. A lot of them are free. The rest is just very affordable. And no specific shout outs today, but shout out to everyone everyone on Instagram that has been following my Instagram stories, you'll see that this weekend I filmed all the B-roll for that thing, and then I lost all the footage because I'm using a brand new camera, and I don't know, it messed up and I lost all my footage, so I had to refilm everything. There's so much more tech review coming up. We got microphones, we got like a Go XLR like mixer and stuff. We got so many things. I'm so excited. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, get a level out.